You land on a new website and bam, there's that pop-up. We use cookies, accept or manage settings. Why does every site do this, and what are cookies anyway? Cookies are just little files websites drop in your browser. Some are useful, keeping you logged in, remembering your cart, saving your settings so you don't have to start from scratch every time. But others, they're not so sweet. Third-party tracking cookies follow you around like crumbs you can't shake. They watch what you click, where you linger, even what you almost bought. Then they use all that data to build a profile on you and feed you ads. That's why the warning exists. Privacy laws like GDPR and California's CCPA require websites to tell you and ask before they start tracking. So what should you do? First, don't just click accept on autopilot. Try manage settings. Most sites still work fine with fewer cookies. Next, check the labels. Strictly necessary are the basics the site needs. Analytics and marketing, those are the extras you can usually skip. Third, use your browser's privacy tools. Most let you block or clear out third-party cookies automatically. And lastly, add a little backup. Extensions like uBlock Origin or Privacy Badger cut down on the tracking without breaking most sites. Cookies aren't evil, but if you ignore them, they can slowly nibble away at your privacy. So next time that pop-up shows up, pause for a second. Make a choice. Protecting your data starts with understanding when and how it's being collected. See you next time for another quick tip on security threats, breaking news, and simple ways to stay cyber secure.